Hello everyone, I'm Madison. Welcome back to another video, or should I say vlog. This is day 5. So in this video today, I'm just waiting for my ride to get here. It's supposed to be at 8:50, but it's excuse me, it's almost 9 o'clock. It's like 8:57. So I'm just waiting for my ride to get here, and today I'm going to get a gift for my boyfriend. So I'm not telling you what I'm getting him because, well, I just don't feel like telling you all. Hey! Ow! You stepped on my foot. You stepped on my foot. So that's what's happening right now, and the day 3 is taking forever to upload. So I'm sorry. Like, please don't mind the out of order videos. I apologize. But anyways, that's what's happening right now. I'm just waiting for my ride to get here, and I'm hoping it's not the driver that I reported, because I reported him last time. And yeah, so that's what's happening right now. Well, right now I'm just waiting for my ride to get here. So, and here's a puppy, and he's gonna get groomed today. He's getting his hair cut. So, hey, hey, hey. Ready to get your hair cut? You're getting your hair cut today. Oh, you're so cute. So, yeah, that's what's happening. So, I'm gonna stop right here, and I'm gonna let y'all know what happens. Cause now it is 8:59, and my driver is not even here yet, which is honestly ridiculous. So, oh my gosh, you guys, it's late. So that's what's happening right now. So my hair is curly. Well, I'm wrapped up in a bun, and that's it. And I have no makeup, which is, I don't know. So that's what's happening. I keep on saying it. Yeah, so I'm gonna go right now because I think my bus is, well, not my bus, my ride will be here in a few minutes. So yeah. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna go with my mom to get my dog because he got his hair cut. And I'm not going with her. I'm actually going to another place. I'm actually going to a video game store because that's where I'm gonna get my boyfriend's gift from. I'm not telling you all what I'm getting. So I didn't film as much as I planned. Well, first, I was running so much that I got, like, finger cramps, like, not like wrist cramps, like cramps for, like, in your fingers, but I don't know. So, we're gonna leave in a few minutes, but now I'm gonna empty out my shoe because there's in my shoe. So yeah, that's what's happening. So to be honest with you guys, I don't know when I should surprise him, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna film it because, like I said yesterday, he's not used to be in front of the camera. Oh my god, I feel something. So I'm gonna let y'all know what's happening and all that. So hey, you're so fluffy. Oh my god, you're so fluffy. Oh my god, you look so fluffy. This is so funny. Oh my god. You're so fluffy. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't mind the out of order videos. So far, Vlogmas Day 3 has not uploaded yet. But I'm not telling you guys what I got from my boyfriend because I want to tell you guys what I got him, like what I got him when I feel like giving it to him. So that's all that's happening right now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, bye guys.